Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to review another proxy site. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online tricks and tutorials. Many people or many users of many viewers of my videos use proxies to do surveys online, to do CPA marketing, and so many other stuff that require proxies. And that's why I decided now to review as much as possible the best proxy sites for my users. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Our site today is called Tabproxy. It's another proxy I discovered. The reason I'm reviewing it is because they sell their IP in form of bandwidth, and they are very, very cheap. And you're going to see why I reviewed this site today. So the site today is called Tabproxy. They have the best value residential proxies, global IPs from various parts of the world. So use faster and more stable foreign IP proxy to grab data. Tabproxy residential proxies network consists of 200 million plus real residential IPs in every country and city across the world. They support both protocols of HTTP and SOX 5, and you can get you can buy a GB for as low as $0.7 or 0.7 cents. So the use cases are the same as other proxy sites, but they provide exclusive proxy pool with real residential IP proxies in every corner of the world, ready to scale your needs. As I told you earlier, save time and effort, never get blocked. These are main agenda for using proxies: never to get blocked on dating sites or CPA sites or affiliate marketing sites. So our rotating residential proxies come from real devices, so no worries about IP bans or captures. They have improved security, so you can go through them through their homepage and can see the various advantages. So let's go to their pricing. So let's go. I've just clicked pricing here. I hope you're seeing where my cursor is. So this is their pricing model. So they have residential proxy pricing. They consist of national positioning, 2 protocols, HTTP and SOX 5. They have rotational residential IP. They provide unlimited connection request, meaning that you can share your IP with unlimited number of people as long as your bandwidth can support them. And they have a 99.99% success rate. So this is the cool part which caught my attention. The 10 GB, you can get it for $28, but it's going to last you for 60 days. So you can be able to use your 10 GB for 2 months if you have not exhausted it within 60 days. So these are very nice, and at a rate of $28. So this means that they offer 1 GB for $2.8 per GB. So if you're going to, so the smallest plan is for 10 GB, which lasts for 60 days, and you're going to charge $28. So as you buy more bandwidth or GB for your IP, the total value per GB decreases. So you see 2.4, 1.8, 1.5, 0.8 GB dollars per GB. So if you're going to buy 1 terabyte, the cost per GB will be reduced for you. So these are very cool feature, and you can see the features of each for each package. They're all almost the same. They provide the same features for every single package. The only difference is the bandwidth in each particular package. You see they have an IP pool of 200 million plus, country or region 195 plus, IP availability, HTTP or SOX 5, enable concurrent connection. You can connect them and with unlimited devices as long as you have enough bandwidth to support them. So that's it. So if you're interested now on registering on Tabproxy, just click sign up, and you can register an account using your email and password, or they don't have another this one is just enough. Just get yourself an email and a password, complete the verification code, and just click sign up. So since I already uncrypt the verification captcha here, but already have an account, so you click login. Or also you can log in, or you can register an account using your Google account, or you can sign in using your Microsoft account. So since you already have an account, let's just log in. So we do this mathematics. 19 minus 28, it's equals to minus 9. So just click login. So this is the account. I had taken the smallest plan. I was just testing it around, and I have some like 0.5 GB remaining. These are just for testing. So you can request a test from their support if you want, but I have never tried them, so you can just try your luck whether you get a few GB for testing. So now this is the dashboard. Once you log into your Tabproxy account, it brings you to this dashboard. We're going to go now. I want us to go through the various tabs on this dashboard. The first one is Get Proxy. The API extraction for those people who like using API, and this is not our case here. So let's go immediately to the next tab, which is under Get Proxy, which is user and pass authentication. This is where you set up your user password and authentication. This is where also you select the country you want. For example, you can select USA here. It's here. You can select UK. No, Great Britain. You see, Britain is there. You can select the state, England, and the random city. Any city you want, you can just set it there. Then session type, they have the one for default setting is rotate proxy, which is set by default, but you can enable sticky proxy, which you can set it up to 30 minutes of rotation time. Then we have proxy add. This is the proxy now. After you set up your country, state, and city, you can come to session type. I like picking the sticky proxy, and their rotation time is between 1 to 30 minutes. And then after setup, all your details will reflect here. So this will be your IP, this will be your IP. The port will be this one. The username will be this one, and your password will be this one. And for example, now my setup here for Britain, England, if I wanted to use it with another friend of mine, like 5 friends of mine, I'll just put 5 number of proxies, click generate. You can choose the format you want to generate your proxies on. There's various options. I like using the first one, which is username, password, hostname, and port. Then click generate. So I can be able to share this setup, this IP setting, my IP settings, with up to 5 or more people, as long as I have enough bandwidth on my plan to support them without any issue. So it can run concurrent sessions easily. So I will be coming back here so that I can do a manual connection. Then they have account authentication, account management. Here you can enable or disable your, for example, this is my active account right now, this one, and it's enabled, but I can disable it. If I don't want people, I want to stop people to stop using my IP, just come here and click disable. And anybody connected using the IP which have generated in the previous script, they will be disabled. Also, they have an option of whitelisting your IP, whereby you can add you can just click add whitelist, and you can whitelist any particular IP and state the name. You can say, for example, if I have a friend in Nigeria, just click put their IP here and say Nigerian IP, so that I'll be able to identify whose IP is whitelisted under my dashboard. And they're going to appear here. When they're whitelisted, you can just give them the port and the IP, and they'll be able to connect to your Tabproxy IP without any issues. Billing, this is where the various plans are listed. So once you buy a plan, you get an order number. Just click it, put it here, and you can be able to monitor all your payment details for a particular order number. But you can also, we are going to back to the home page, show you how to buy. Then they have security. This is the normal. Then they have the referral plan. I told you they have a good affiliate program. You can go through the affiliate program if you are a good marketer, and you can market using the link here, and you can be able to earn some few commissions. So CD key generation, this whereby you can buy GBs. For example, I can buy GBs and generate a unique CD key which I can share to my viewers or to anybody who I want to reward with. So, and you can say you can only generate a CD key when you have more than 10 GB, but for now I cannot have. So if I want to bless another person or a user, I can come and load up my account with 10 GB, generate a CD key. Then when I give them, they can come here under dashboard, input their CD key here, confirm, and that particular bandwidth of 10 GB is going to reflect on the account. That's very easy. That's the work of CD key generation. You can be able to share your bandwidth with other people using a code called CD key, and all their traffic under dashboard. If you click dashboard, all your traffic, you'll be able to monitor all your IPs and how they are being used by other people whom you have shared your IP with. So let's go back to the home page first. Pricing. Under pricing now, they have various payment options. For example, if you want to click this plan here, order now, to bring you to this page. You can pay using cryptocurrencies, you can pay using credit cards, Alipay, and local payment options. But my favorite option is the cryptocurrencies, which are very, very easy. So once you select the plan you want, and if you have a coupon, you can put it. Just click on the order amount, just click continue payment, and you'll be taken to the page where they will give you a crypto address of whichever coin you have chosen to pay with, and you'll be able to send the exact amount to that particular address plus fees, making sure that the amount that arrives to the Tabproxy account address is exact minus the sending fees. I'm sure most people know how to do that for now, up to now. So let's go back to the dashboard. I want us to do arrive connection. Click my account here. So this is my dashboard now. I want us to do a connection. We want to test it out now. So let's try. Most people use USA, but it has many countries, even UAE, Saudi Arabia. You see, Saudi Arabia is there. They have UAE. What do you call Dubai? I don't know. UAE, United Arab Emirates or something. I don't know. I don't know that one. So let's go USA. I don't know the abbreviation for getting Dubai or UAE. So let's use USA for today. Remember I showed you it has a Britain. So you can choose let's say Alabama, or any. I can choose any. They have so many states here, almost all the states. So let's use Alabama. Then you can select any. Any city you want here, but for the city I like it leaving it random. Then session by default it's usually on rotate, but let us use a sticky proxy. Then you can put it a maximum of rotation of 20 minutes. Remember the maximum is 30 minutes. Then you can choose the IP format. They have so many formats here. For example, if you have many countries, you can select US, AS, or EU. let us remain with the default one there. This is our port. Now this is our username, then this is our password. So for example, if now I want to share this IP with many people, just put, let's say 5 people, just click generate, and I'll just copy this link here with username, password, hostname and port, and share with anyone I want. So now I want us to connect this particular IP now, USA, Alabama. So let's go to my IX browser, create profile. Then we are going to use SOX5. Remember, they support both protocols. So now we go to here, we copy the host name or the IP, copy. Remember, this is SOX5. So paste the IP there. Then we go to our port 5000, port, put our port, then username is this one, the wrong username. The username has all your selections, city, state or something. So let's go to Alabama. Username is that one. Then password is this one. Yeah. Then you can check our proxy connection before even connecting. You see, it's in US. So let's check whether it will be in our state that we selected. Oh, sorry, not configure well. So under settings here, this is the normal setting up. So let's say Tabproxy testing. You have to set up your profile well here for the browser to work. So after that, just click create. Since you're not doing a tutorial for X browser, I'm going direct to the video, just connecting, showing how to connect. And the same way I connected my Tabproxy on IX browser, you can use it to connect it on any other proxy extension or Android or iOS proxy app, SOX5 proxy app or HTTP proxy app. So you can see this is our IP location. So let's check on what.net. Remember, before working on any survey site, check your IP location so that you can be able to get the zip code. So whenever you're asked to put a zip code on a particular survey or a particular dating site, always use the zip code of your IP. This will reduce the number of blocking and disqualification in whatever you are doing. So remember, is a fairly new proxy site. They have not added selection of ISP, but I'm sure with the time, keep on checking on them, they'll add that feature of selecting ISP here. So under the dashboard, you'll be getting states, country, state, city, and ISP. But so far they're pretty doing a good job. So this is our location, and you see, we got Alabama, the same location we got on the other side. So let's check on pixel scan. The quality of our IP from Tabproxy. So I can confidently tell you guys that Tabproxies are very good, and remember, they only provide residential proxies with real ISP. Remember, but the only downside is that you cannot be able to select the particular ISP that you want, but they are very new, and I'm sure that in the near future they'll be having an option to select the ISP here. Another cool feature is that they charge like the minimum plan of 2.8 dollars per GB. You're going to be sold for $28, and you're going to get 10 GB for 60 days. So if you're not a heavy user, if you're not just using the data for doing surveys without watching very high quality videos that consume a lot of data, if your work just be doing surveys only, 10 GB can be able to take you for 60 days, and within that particular time you could have earned back the $28 you used to pay that for that particular brand. Another cool feature, they have a rotation time between 1 to 30 minutes. So you can set the rotation time as per your wish, and that's another very cool feature. Those people who know why, they will understand why I'm saying that. A rotation time between 1 to 30 minutes, and the IP can stay for like for many hours without going offline. So guys, that's it about today, and you can see for yourself, we have connected to a particular IP from Tabproxy. We have checked the pixel scan. You can see that the IP is consistent. It does not leak any form of it's just perfect even on pixel scan. So guys, thank you for watching. Consider checking out Tabproxy, and in case of any comment, hit me up under the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Thank you. See you on my next video.